Tranquila, tranquila. Ya la tenemos.
Sí, con cuidado a la bolsa.
Okay, easy now.
Clear on the left. Moving on to the belt.
The emitters are aligned. We are clear for activation.
Roger that. Monitoring thermal stability on the skin surface.
This one is off by 2 millimeters.
Rejecting this batch then, I'll update the inventory.
Particle count is stabilizing now. How are the specs looking?
Right in the acceptable range. I'm logging the batch data.
Verify the seal integrity and scan the batch number on this one.
Confirmed. Digital tracking shows the update. Lot 45B cleared.
Manifest confirms pallet 7. We need this on truck 4 immediately.
Copy that. Heading there now.
From factory to pharmacy, delivering health with care.
The texture on this skin is flawless.
Agreed.
Agreed. Fold it gently now. We must maintain the integrity.
Keep the pressure low on the sprayer. We don't want to damage the scales.
Understood. I'll make sure the foam is spread evenly.
Easy now, keep the tension even.
Looks good on this side.
Okay, set it down gently right there.
See this slight mark here? It won't work for the main panel.
Agreed. We'll use this section for the straps instead.
This seam alignment is off by 2 millimeters. We need to send this back for rework immediately. Ensure the stitching is perfect on the next batch.
Understood. I'll notify the team.
Place that one right against the bulkhead, nice and tight.
Got it. Secure.
We need to reroute the Shanghai shipment now.
Copy that. Dispatching ground team for the new ETA.
The new route is showing green. We are back on schedule.
Look at the stitching on this one. Oh, it's perfect. The client is going to love these.
Enjoyed this exclusive look at how luxury iPhone cover are made and delivered? Like, subscribe, and share to stay tuned for more